ஏஜி கிருஷ்ணா, நமக்கெல்லாம் ஒரு சுதீனம் ஜிஎஸ்பிக்கு வந்து நமக்கு ஒரு நல்ல சான்ஸ் கொடுத்ததுக்கு அந்த சான்ஸ்க்கு நாம வந்து அவங்களுக்கெல்லாம் முதல்ல கிருத்தஜ்ஞம் தெரிவிக்கணும். श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्यवद्यो मे समिदत्तां सदा हृदि ज्ञानानन्दमयं देवं निर्मलस्फटिकाकृतिम् आधारं सर्वविद्यानां हयग्रीवमुपास्महे. Welcome to GSK summer camp for 7 days. So we are going to have a camp for 7 days. Why 7 days? 7 is a special number for Thiruvenkatamuriyan. All of you know, a lot of 7 hills, right? So 7 is a very auspicious number, 7 days in a week, and generally people say that Bhagavata Saptaham they say. So Saptaham means 7 days. 7 days means very auspicious. So 7 days is today is the first day of 7 days, and we are very fortunate that by the grace of Thiruvenkatamuriyan, who is none other than Swami Deshigan in this Kaliga. We have started this camp, and then this GSPK, Global Sotra Padakainkanam, has been started by the grace of Swami Deshigan. So let us pray to Swami Deshigan himself to conduct this camp through all of us. श्रीमान वेंकटनाथार्य कवितार्किक केसरी वेदांताचार्य वद्यों सदा. Wonderful, and somebody has given a wonderful message here. Krishna held the mountain for 7 days. Excellent, right? So all of you know Govardhan Giridhari, 7 days is a very important auspicious number. So today is the first day of the camp. What are we going to learn in this camp? We are going to learn about Vaishnavism. Who is a Vaishnava? What is the definition of a Vaishnava? A general definition is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Very simple, right? Simple definition. A devotee of Lord Vishnu. Definition of Vaishnava is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Vishnuvai Chernavan Vaishnava. And anybody who is a servant of Vishnu, anybody who is dedicated to Vishnu, anybody who worships Vishnu, right? He is a Vaishnava. This all of you must have known. Very simple, very general definition of what it is. And Vaishnavas worship Bhagavan Vishnu. Generally you heard this word Bhagavan, right? Nowadays everybody is a Bhagavan. They put their name as Bhagavan. What is the definition of Bhagavan? According to Parashara Brahma Rishi, Bhagavan means one who has infinite Jnana, Bala, Aishwarya, Virya, Shakti, Tejas. Okay? Or the 6 important qualities, infinite. We also have Jnana, we have intelligence. But we have a finite intelligence. And we are unable to find out a medicine for a corona. So what type of intelligence is our intelligence, right? We don't know a medicine for a virus, right? We don't know its characteristics. We don't know its property, right? People are dying in that. We have to pray by continuously chanting Jai Jaya Sri Sadasana. Keep on chanting this Nama Sankirtanam at your home. Jai Jai Sri Sudarshana. I think all of you must be chanting Jai Jai Sudarshana because you are in GSPK camp. And the main logo of GSPK is Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. That is Stotra Sampradaya Manjari, right? So every day we must chant Jai Jai Sri Sudarshana, Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Nigamanta Mahadeshkaya Namaha, Jai Sriman Narayana. Then we should keep on addressing people as Adiyen Dasan, right? So Vaishnavas are the devotees of Bhagavan Vishnu. Bhagavan means only Vishnu. Why? Bhagavan, according to Parashara Brahmarishi, Bhagavan is one who has infinite jnana, bala, aishwarya, vidya, sakti, tejas. I asked all of you to get book, pen, pencil, notes, right? Those who can take notes, you can take notes. That shows, that will improve your knowledge. Then, what is the important quality of the Vaishnava? Vaishnavik mukkama enna venum? Sattva gunam. We should have the sattva gunam. There are three gunas, all of you know. Sattva, Raja, Tama. Sattva gunam, Rajo gunam, Tamo gunam. Sattva means very good, shantam, mode of goodness they say. Rajo gunam, mode of passion, right? Very passionate about anything. First day, first show, passion. And Tamo guna means mode of ignorance, always sleeping, lazy, postponing things. Shanta, sattva. Sattva means very shanta, very peaceful, right? People are very sattvic. That's why by Vedanta Deshika has written a book, you know, for to get the sattva guna. Deshikan has written a book, a great book for this. Ahara Niyamam. See, no Acharya was so compassionate to all of us, you know, than Deshikan. Because you are the only one who gave us a diet, a balanced, well-balanced diet. What to eat, what not to eat. Now we are suffering because we ate anything, everything, anytime, anyway. So, we have to follow our. Why do we eat food? Not only good strength, good mental strength also. So, to develop this sattva guna. So, Vaishnavas focus mainly sattva guna. Does not mean they are not. You can't say a person who, a Vaishnava should not get angry or should not sleep or something like that. It's more sattvic guna. Very peaceful, very composed, well balanced. It doesn't become angry for anything and everything, and he doesn't, become lazy. He doesn't postpone things. Tomorrow's job today, today's job now. So that is the main quality of Vaishnava. So what did you say? Vaishnava is one who is a devotee of Lord Vishnu. Second, they always worship Vishnu Bhagavan, and Bhagavan is only Vishnu because he has got many infinite qualities. Vaishnavas mainly possess one quality. What is the quality? Sattva. S-A-T-V. Sattva guna. And they are full of another important quality is that Vaishnavas are full of humility, humble. Humble means Adiyen Dasan. I am your servant. Not just saying. They also think what service you want me to do. I will drop you to the temple. I will bring you from the temple. I will take my car and offer you to do some service. They offer. They voluntarily do service because they are humble. They don't have ego. Why should I do when so many people are there? இவ்வளவு பேரு நான் ஏன் பண்ணணும், நான் பண்ண மாட்டேன் அப்படின்னா சொல்ல மாட்டாங்க. அடியேன் தாசன், நான் பண்றேன், காத்துருக்கேன். வண்டியில போய் போடணுமா, இவ்வளவு வழி காமிக்கணுமா, இதான கடையில வாங்கிடணுமா, ஏதாவது மருந்து கொண்டு வரணுமா, என்ன ஹெல்ப் பண்ணணும், தானா போய் கேட்பான். Vaishnavas are full of humility and When somebody criticizes them, they don't bother. They don't bother about criticism. And Vaishnavas do not go for name and fame. They don't go for fame. They ignore fame. They don't want name. Yakyati labha pujasu vimukho Vaishnave jane. That's a quality. So they don't want name. They will do, but silently. I give an example now. Remember these stories and examples. Later on, we ask you what are these. Okay. One person donated 1 lakh rupees to a temple. And then he asked, he told the temple pujari, Archaka, I don't want receipt. I don't want receipt. Just write my name as a devotee. A devotee. 1 lakh rupees. So he gave a receipt as a devotee. And then they put on the board, temple, construction, donors, first name, so and so, 1 lakh rupees dash, devotee. After the temple construction was over, one day this devotee who donated 1 lakh rupees went to the temple along with all his relatives, along with friends and relatives. And then he showed the temple and the board, see, 1 lakh, a devotee, that is me, I am one. And the 1 lakh put to the Nanda. Is that humility? That is, he is doing for name and things. Real Vaishnava, the true Vaishnava doesn't want that fame. He does silently. And he will help others silently. He will always help others. And he doesn't insult others. He is not jealous of others. And even if he is criticized, a Vaishnava, even if it's criticized in the society, some people criticize, oh, you're putting tilak, you're putting this ceremony, oh, people will laugh, right? And he's not bothered. I am applying tilak, I am applying Tirumansi Chanam for Tiruman. Perumal will be happy. And when somebody sees this, he will get punya. So even if a person is criticized, a Vaishnava is criticized, he will accept them. Nane dan ayuduga. It's a famous quotation in Tirupavai. Which pasaram it comes? Anybody can give a message? Small chat. Which pasaram it comes? Nane dan. When I ask question, should come immediately in the message. Starting of the number pasaram 15. Okay, right? Nane dan. Excellent. Sadipya Sandara will give an answer. In the Yellangiri, Avanija also is given the answer. 15, Achyutarangam, etc. Okay, good, Vasudha, everybody has given the answer. Shraddha. Thank you. Anyway, it is good that you are all not sleeping and listening. Advika, Varshini, everybody has given 15th one. Right. What is the beginning word of the Pasaram? Can you tell in 1 second? What is the beginning word? Or the Pasaram Aramba enna? Eppadi arambhi? Enna word adu? Ella class ku endukiring. Yellelengiliye Shraddha, very good. Shraddha, Shravan, Shruti, Mahati, Advika, Pranav, very good. Santosha, Yellelengiliye. Santosha, very good. Very good. Aditya Science, very good. Everybody is listening. Aditya, Advika, Vishwanath. Santosha, all the best. So, Yelle Ilankiliye, right? This Yelle, the very important pasaram, like 15th pasaram, India. Adunayagama. So that is 15th pasaram. What is the quality emphasized there? That is the essence of Tirupal in 15th pasaram, right? What is the essence of Vaishnava? Yes, I have done this mistake. You accept even if you don't. Suppose your teacher scolds you, you have not done your homework and you have not done it properly. You should not try to prove that you have done. You are correct. Very humbly also you can convince, very humbly. No, madam, I have completed this. How can you say like this? Tomorrow I won't come to this. You can't say that. The Vaishnava doesn't say that. Or doesn't fight with the parents. No, I did correctly. The teacher didn't give me marks for this. The teacher does not know mathematics at all. That is why she gave you less marks. A Vaishnava quality is not that. You are very humble. If you are humble, you will be defended by Perumal. If you defend yourself, you have to defend by yourself. Perumal will not defend. Very simple. Daya pravritte mama kim prayasai, daya pravritte mama kim prayasai. Anyway, we are not going to the detail. We are in the fundamental, basic fundamental. Naneda Nagita. We should be like Naneda Nagita. And in Ramayana, can you give one example for this Naneda Nagita? I am the sinner. I am the reason for Rama going into the forest. Who said this? Anybody? Bharata, yeah, Aditya, ready there? My God. Aditya, Ashwata, Advika, everybody said Pranav, Swaminarayan, Vijayaragan, Hasini, Varshini. Everybody is awake. Parana, Kaladu Puri, Yana Sriram, everybody. Pranav, others, and Murli. Yeah, and Murli Kere, Aramita, Shashank, Pranav, Vasudha. Super. Bharata took the insult on him. Somebody wrote Pranav, the Madhav Deshika. Yes. Bharata said, who is responsible for Rama going to the forest? He said, it is not my mother. It's not my mother Kaikeyi. First he said, mother is responsible. No. Then he said, it must be my father. Why did he listen to Kaikeyi? I mean, my mother is cruel. Why should my father listen? He is the emperor. You should have stopped her. No. Is it Mantara who instigated Kaikeyi? No. It's not Mantara. By fate, she told, she is a servant of her. Or Velakari. Amma. No, nowadays, servants are very powerful in the houses, Velakari, Terinja, so she should not listen to Mantara. The mother's mistake. Father's mistake. He didn't listen. He should not have listened. Kaikeyi. Then, Rama's mistake. Why should he go to forest? He should fight with his father. It is the rule in this dynasty that only first son will rule the kingdom. Why should I go into the forest? मैं कहीं को जाऊँ, मैं क्यों जाऊँ, मैं नहीं जाऊँगा. So Rama is from Ayodhya. He should have spoken in Hindi, right? मैं जाऊँगा ही नहीं. I will not go. So it is not father's fault. It is his fault. Whose fault? Yeah, Sanskrit sloka. Let us say Abad, no? He also spoke Sanskrit. Yeah. Good. He should have spoken in Sanskrit. Valmiki Ramayana. Aham na gacchami. Aham na shrunomi. So he should have said that. So finally he says, Matpapameva atra nimitramasu. Valmiki Ramayana. It is my sin. My sin. Who says this? Matpapam. Translation, my sin. That is why we eat all tablets, Fluoromycin, terromycin, streptomycin, all mycin only. Tablets are mycin. Because we do sins, we have to face the consequences. So, Bharata says, it is my sin. Naneda, my best example is Bharata. He is the greatest Vaishnava. That is why Vedanta Deshika says great about Bharata. That is the first Bhagavata. In which Prabandham? In which Stotra? Anybody? In which Kavya? Padukasa. Yes, Arvind Ragan said Padukasa. Fine. Naturally. Something is wrong. Yeah, I am here. So, Padukasa. Chat. You can make chat. Huh? Right. So, Padukasa, yeah, Advika, Mahati, everybody is saying Pranam, Srilata, under this name. Thanks. Beautiful. So, can anyone say what is the first Yeah, in the which shloka? Kalapurna. As already said, second shloka. Excellent. What is the beginning of that verse? Anybody can say? Bharata Yapam Shraddha. Very nice. Beautiful. So first shloka in which in the second verse of Padaka Sahasram, Vedanta Desika says that Bharata is number one devotee, rank first rank, because he said, I am the cause of all these problems. The Rama is going to forest because of me. So Bharataya Param Namostu Tasmai Pratama Udaharana. First exam, Pratama, first rank according to Deshi. Adiyartham, Adiyartham. This is the quality. Very easy to say in Upanyasam. Very difficult to follow in practice. Right? If somebody comes to me, we'll start again. What is Upanyasam? Forget. We'll fight. It's very difficult to become a easy to call ourselves a Vaishnava. Extremely difficult to be humble. So, Bharataya Param is a very important shloka, second shloka in Padaka Sahasram, in which Bharata is praised by Swami Vivekananda, because Bharata is so humble. Even if he was criticized by the people, was criticized by the society, this fellow is the responsible, this fellow is the cause. Because of him, Rama had to go back. So, then also Bharata said, it's my sin, it's my papam. So, that is the quality of a Vaishnava. So, Vaishnava will not take revenge on others. You called me this, I will tell about your father, I will tell about your family, I will tell about your mommy, I will tell about your party. He will not. If somebody criticizes, okay. Perumal is giving us a lesson. Perumal is giving nice everybody for one sin is gone. For papam bed. That is Vaishnava. You don't react immediately. So these are the qualities. So what did you learn? First one is, who is a Vaishnava? Vaishnava is a Vishnu Bhakta. Vaishnava is a devotee of Bhagavan Vishnu. Why Bhagavan? He has got infinite qualities. And then Bhagavan means only one person. Vishnu only is Bhagavan. Then, according to Vishnu Purana, Parashara Brahmarshi. When Vaishnavas possess mainly sattvic quality, Vaishnavas are full of humility, humble, very humble. Vaishnavas ignore criticism. They want fame. They don't want fame. They ignore fame. A Vaishnava always helps others. A Vaishnava, even if it is criticized by the society, will say, Nanai Dainaka. He will accept the criticism. These are the qualities of a Vaishnava. Clear? It looks very simple, right? Very difficult. You'll be given question papers immediately after 12 o'clock. You'll send Google Sheet, I think through FCC they will send. And you will have to answer all of them caps through caps. Use only capital letters, okay? Answer otherwise the sheet will not accept. The sheet itself will evaluate and give the mark. Okay? You will be given the link also, okay, to the sheet. Okay? So be careful with all your notes. And then you have to answer immediately. Early birds will also given credit. Now, Vaishnavas never ask for cheap pleasures. What is cheap pleasure? Very trivial things, small things. They won't go ask for. What will they ask? They ask only for Perumal's Anugraham, Perumal Krupai, Bhagavata Kripa. They won't ask anything. For example, a small child cries. Okay? Small child is crying. But mother is looking after cooking. The child is crying. What will she do first? Yeah, somebody has written money is the cheap pleasure. We'll come to that later. What will she do? Mother will do. What she do? The child is crying. She has to cook. What will she do? But first, she cannot come and lift the child. என்ன பண்ணுவா? குழந்தைக்கு என்ன பண்ணுவா? Anybody? சிங், வெரி குட். ஆதித்யாரும் சிங் ஒரு பாட்டு பாடுவா. ஆனா சில பேர் அம்மா பாட்டு பாடினா அவ இன்னும் ஆட ஆரம்பிச்சிருவான், வேற எழுதிடுவான். ஐயோ இவ பாட்டு கண்ணா பின்னான்னு பாடினா எல்லாரும் குரல் நல்லா இருக்காது. எவ்ரிபடி வில் நாட் ஹேவ் a good voice, right? Sometimes the child will be scared of mother singing. It will start crying more. So what else you will do? Then somebody has given Aishwarya. First she will speak to the child from her place regarding child's cry. So nice. From there, from the cooking kitchen, she will say, don't cry, I am coming, I will complete my Sahasranamam and come. Will the child stop crying? Somebody has a lullaby. Then turn off stove and help the child. She will give something to eat. Okay? All very good answer. She gives toy. Pranav, come on. Episode answer. Okay. First she will give some toys, right? Small house, small train, small bus for some time. For 10 minutes the child will play, will keep quiet, and after some time child will start crying again. So she will give something to eat, as you say, some biscuit or whatever it is, or some ice cream, whatever it is. Finally, what the child will do, maybe after 1 hour, what the child will do? Finally, hungry, she fed the milk and all. Then also she is crying. Finally, what she will do? Finally, mother has to do what? She has to carry the child and do all the activities. Correct. Somebody, Aditya, mentioned bathroom. Oh my God. Okay, that is one of the reasons. Child finally will keep quiet, keep the mouth shut. இந்த குழந்தை எப்ப நிறுத்தும்? அம்மா எடுத்துட்டாதான் நிறுத்தும். எடுத்துட்டு வேலை பார்த்தா தான் நிறுத்தும், இல்லையா? Is it true or no? Yes or no? Nobody is giving yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, correct. Shraddha, one answer. My God. Okay. Child can be, given some toys or some playthings for some time. Later on, the child will keep on crying till the mother comes and lifts the child. Similarly, Vaishnavas, when they ask a house, Perumal will give a house. When they ask a car, Perumal will give a car. All toy cars only. They want good enjoyment, good food, he will give. But when the child cries only for the mother, similarly when the Vaishnava cries for Perumal only, then Perumal will come and lift us. Perumal amma amari nunga thookipaar. Yeah. A true Vaishnava will never ask for cheap pleasures like money, house, property, car, AC, DC, all those. They will not go for. These are cheap. Why cheap? Can I even say why they are cheap pleasure? Why? Any student? Why we say it was cheap pleasure? Why cheap? Because worldly pleasures are cheap because they are not eternal. Cannot, correct. Because you can't always have them, and they are temporary. Correct. They are not compared, nothing to Perumal. Very good. They won't last long, Pranav, Shuddhi, etc. Fine. Excellent, excellent. Beautiful answer. Beautiful answer. எடுத்து ஆனந்தம் அளித்தருள்வார். இதுதான் வச்சேன். ராமனை பஜித்தால். கரெக்ட் இல்லையா? இறங்கி தூக்கி எடுத்து ஆனந்தம் அளித்தருள்வார். இல்லையா? ராமனை பஜித்தால். We need happiness more than anything. So, these are all temporary pleasures. You to eat a chocolate, how long it will be there? 2 seconds. Right? A good food, maybe half an hour. Later on, finish. Till the tip of the tongue, right? Only till the tip of the tongue, it will be there. Taste is still only up the tip of the tongue. You know that, right? Taste buds. Once it goes beyond that, you don't know anything. Tip of the tongue. Generally, people say tip of the tongue, right? What is tip of the tongue? Anybody knows what is tip of the tongue? He has got all the slokas, the tip of the tongue. What does it mean? Jihvagra means what? Yeah, Varshini said temporary joy, right? All the worldly material things are right. Jihvagra means what? By heart. Yeah, excellent. Yes, yes. Salapurna giving wonderful answer. You know everything by heart, right? That is called tip of the tongue. That is why Vedanta Desika said tip of the tongue. Translation: Jikvagra Simhasanam. Who is there? Which Perumal is there on the tip of the tongue? Which Perumal is there on the tip of the high grade? Right? Jikvagra Simhasanam Abhyupeyaha. Right? Jikvagra Simhasanam Abhyupeyaha. So, Jikvagra Simhasanam Abhyupeyaha. That shows very clearly that Perumal Hayagrivan is sitting at the tip of the tongue, and I am able to speak because Hayagriva is the tip of the. Who are the other two gods who are well known for giving knowledge? Other two gods generally in Hinduism, other than Hayagriva, gods of knowledge. Saraswati, very good, and Saraswati. Some other god is also there, not Brahma. Dakshinamurti, right. So, this also Vedanta is. Ganesh also is written, okay. Dakshinya Ramya Girisasya Murti. Dakshinamurti gives knowledge. Devi Saroja Kana Dharma Patni, right? I agree with that. Dakshinya. That means Brahma's wife is Saraswati. Vyasa Adaya. Vyasa also, right? Vyasa Vishnu Rupanya. Vyasa also gives knowledge. Like Ganesha, etc. But they all get knowledge from where? Puranti Sarve. You are learning from GSP Stotras, right? Acharya Sitaramana is giving something through video. Puranti Sarve. Avasakti Laisai. They are all in charges of the Department of Knowledge, Department of Education ministers. Who are all these education ministers who are in charge of education? Dakshinamurti, Saraswati, Ganesha, Vyasa, etc. But they are all getting this from by whom? Who is the main prime minister there? Haigriva. Supreme God is Haigriva. From Haigriva they get all this power. They do penance and then get this power. Vedanta Desika says, take directly from Haigriva. Haigriva ne நேரா எடுத்துக்கோங்கன்னு சொல்றாரு. So, in Haigriva Stotram, excellent. Vasudha gives the answer. So, how many shlokas are there in Haigriva Stotram? By the way, quiz. Haigriva Stotram, how many shlokas? 33, very good. 32 plus 1. Palashruti. So, 32 is a holy number. Why 32 is a holy number? Anybody can know what is the importance of 32 immediately? 32 in the human body. What is 32? What do you remember in human body? 32? 32 T. Very good. So, anybody who has got 32 T, all human beings must chant what? Chant what? Must chant what? 32 பல்லு இருக்கிற எல்லாரும் எதை சொல்லணும்? கம்பல்சரி எது சொல்லணும்? Which stotram they should say? என்ன stotram சொல்லணும்? All those, Haigriva stotram. Correct. Haigriva 32 பல்லுக்கு அத்தனை பேரும் Haigriva stotram. எந்த சம்பிரதாயம் இருந்தாலும் எந்த மதமானாலும். Yeah. Isn't it? So, because he is the one who gives knowledge. So, what is the principle here? What I was trying to tell, Vaishnavas never aspire for cheap pleasures, and they are always full of sattvic quality. They are full of very calm. They don't get agitated. They are composed. Something good comes, they don't jump in joy. Suppose they get a gold medal in 10th class or 12th class or degree, they don't jump. They get a hike, 1 lakh rupees, they don't jump. Suppose they fail in some activity in life, then they say, it is also Perumal Peru. It's also Perumal Sankal. They don't become sad. They compose. They control their senses. Vaishnava, very, very important quality of Vaishnava. And about Vaishnavas, who talks high of Vaishnavas, in Vishnu Purana, Yama. It's called especially Yama Kinkara Sambadam. I have to tell a story. That story I will tell later on because the children will come later on. It's called Yama Kinkara Sambadam. So what is the story? Sajamila story that I'll come later. In that Yama Kinkara Sambadam, Yama talks to his servant. Kinkara means servant. What is the name of actually Kinkara? Kinkara means one who always says, Kim karomi, Kim karomi, Kim karomi. Karomi Kim. Kinkara. Kainkarya parar, we say, no? What is Kainkaryam? He always says, Kim karomi, Kim karomi. What shall I do next? What shall I do next? Which Kainkaryam I shall do next? If you are become real Kinkara or real Kainkarya para, what you should do? You should go and ask. Kinkara also means servant. You do whatever, whatever is told to you, you do sincerely. Kainkaryam is very important, very, very important aspect of Vaishnava. There is no Vaishnavism without Kainkaryam. So, Yama was talking to his servant, and then very secretly he revealed the identity of Vaishnava. The Vaishnavas will be like these, don't go to them. I am not in charge of Vaishnava. I cannot go near Vaishnava. Very powerful. Don't go near them. So it is said in Sri Vishnu Puranam, Yama Kinkara Sambadam. In the Vishnu Puranam, the glories of all Vaishnavas is mentioned in the Sri Vishnu Puranam. Very secretly, Yama himself tells to the servant, don't go near them. If you find a person having Thiruman Chijan, don't go near them. If you find a person having Shankha Chakra, don't go near them. If a person is wearing Tulasi Mala while doing Japam, don't go near them. One who is chanting Bhagavan Nama, don't go. Like this. These are the qualities of Vaishnava. Very secretly, he told them, don't go near. I am not their boss. I am boss for others. Parihara Madhusudana Prapanna. One who has surrendered to Madhusudana or Vishnu, don't go near. Prabhuraham Anyanana. I am the boss of others. I am the boss of those who do not believe in Vishnu. I am the boss of those who do not worship Vishnu. I am the servant of those who worship Vishnu. I am the servant of the Vaishnavas, but I am the master of those who do not worship Vishnu. This Yama Kinkara Sambadam, it is very clearly said in Vishnu Purana. We are not telling that we are not criticizing anybody. This is exact shloka. Parihara Madhusudana Prabannat Prabhuraham Anyanranam. I am the boss for all others except the Vaishnava. Na Vaishnavanam, the word is very clear. I am not the boss of Vaishnava, I am the servant of Vaishnava. But I catch hold and torture people who do not have respect towards Vishnu. This is the word. So it is mentioned in Sri Vishnu Puranam, Yama Kinkara Vadam Sambadam. Sambadam means dialogue. Vadam or Sambadam. So, because one of the secrets is for Vaishnavas, they don't go for wealth, money, etc. They don't go for money at all. In the money is nothing for them. For them, money is Perumal. Bhakta, Bhaja, Bhujanga, Garuda, money. Money also means what? Jewel. For them, money is Krishna, Rama, Dhanam. Hasti me Hasti Shailagre. Who can complete this? Anybody can complete? Hasti me Hasti Shailagre. What is it? In Vairagya Pancham. Yeah. Hasti me Hasti Shailagre. Vastu Vaitamaham. Got to the last word. What is the last word? Dhana, Padma Priya. Okay, fine. Yeah, even elders can answer. No problem. children under the elders' name also can say. Anyway, uh, Paitamaham Dhanam. So, what is Dhanam for Vaishnavas? Varda. Perumal is Dhanam. So, Yama says, don't go near them because for them money is nothing. For them the money is Perumal. Perumal is wealth. So they don't fight, they don't go for, wealth, acquiring wealth, and for them wealth is Perumal. They don't go in wealth acquiring issues, they don't go. Vaishnavas never go, they don't indulge in such activity. And they speak very soft. They don't talk a rough, harsh words. Vedanta Desika says in Etirasutta, Vaishnavas talk so nicely, very sweet, and very convincingly, because they know Vishnu is in everybody's heart. They don't shout it. Parusha Atibada Paribada, this shloka in Etirasutta, in which Vedanta Desika says, they don't tell lies, Vaishnavas. They don't criticize others, etc. So, that is said in Etirasutta. So, Vaishnavas never get angry for materialistic things and issues. Ordinary issues, they don't become angry. They will never become angry. Suppose he doesn't get a dakshina, somebody says, we'll give you 2,000 rupees for this Prabandha Seva Kalam, and if they give only 1,000, they don't become angry. Okay, Perumal Thirulam, at least I could chant Nammalvar Divya Prabandha. They don't fight with them. Not only 2,000, give me 500 more, I came in auto, that is Corona, so 500 extra. So, and all, they don't ask. The true Vaishnava will not demand like that. Because for him, Dhanam is Perumal. And so what was Dhanam for Ramanuja? Anybody can say? Dhanam for Ramanuja. If they don't get money, how they go food? Yeah, somebody asked. Correct. No, they will give money, they don't demand. They don't demand. For example, if suppose some Seva Kalam is there, they will go. Suppose they said 2,000, they ask 2,000. They don't demand more. Corona time, give me extra. That's what I want. They have to pay. That will come. Question answer session. Okay. So, Dhanam, what is Dhanam for Ramanujam? In the shloka, Dhyana shloka, Yonityam Achyutapada. What is it? What is that Dhanam? Achyuta Prajambuja Ikmarugma. The Lord's lotus feet is Dhanam for Ramanujam. Right? Padambuja Ikmarugma Vyamohataha Kaditarani Trinayame. Means for him, everything is what? For him, everything is like a grass, Trinayami, like a blade of grass. Perumal Tiruvadi is everything for him. For whom? Achyuta Padambuja Ikmarugma. For Ramanujam. So Vaishnavas are like that. For them, Perumal Tiruvadi is enough. Chatari is enough. Acharya Paduka is enough. Paduka is everything for them. So they don't go for, they don't fight for property, house, money. Then they keep always thinking about Sriman Narayan. Why? Because Vaishnavas. And there is one of the Lakshana is that Kokkai Podirupan. So, he is always meditating about the Supreme God, Supreme Narayan. And Vaishnavas are very composed, very sattvic, tranquil. They know jealousy, and they know that why they are not jealousy or angry with others, because they know Sriman Narayana is present. Narayana is enshrined in every living entity, living person as Antaryam, right? That is why they don't fight. Why they don't fight? Why Vaishnavas don't fight? They are not angry with somebody else. Because they clearly know Sriman Narayana is chosen in everyone. So why will they fight? Suppose somebody insults us, you fellow, you idiot, and then you did this, that, you did that. So what will we think? If you are real Vaishnava, oh my God, it's my past karma, what all I had done in the past that is telling. Let me accept. Or In him, Antaryami is there. Perumal Narayana is there. He is criticizing. So I should accept. This is the bhava for Vaishnava. Very difficult. This is what Vedanta is saying. We have 5 positions of the Lord, right? 5 vivas, 5. What are those 5 stages in which we can worship the Lord? One is Param. What are the other 4? Can you say? Everybody? 5 stages of 5 levels of Param Vyuham. Yeah. Then Param Vyuham. Then third Param Vyuham. Vibhavam. Right. Vibhavam. Then Vibhavam. Then fourth. Archa. Correct. Archa and Antaryam. Fine. Param means Sriman Narayana in Paramapadam. Vyuham means Parkadu, Milky Ocean. That is Kshirabdhinathan. Vibhavam means Rama, Krishna, Narasimha, all the avatars. Because we can't go, it's all over. We are not there. If we were there, now we will not be holding the camp, we will be in Vaikuntha. Archa is the one which we can worship in temple. So we can go to the temple and worship. Nearby temple. Kitta irukra koyila Perumal sevikalam, photo la sevikalam, Perumal paathu sevikalam. Perumal elukar. Adu sevikalam, photo la. Yeah. Perumal sevikalam. Ella archayila paakrom, archayila sevikalam. Yeah. So Paravyuha Viva Antaryami Archa. So Perumal is as Antaryami. Hridayathukulla Ishara Sarvabhutana Vriddheja Arjuna Ishtati. Perumal is present in the heart. Not physical, the position. Antaryami. So that is why we should eat properly in time. You know why? Because Antaryami is there. For Antaryami, we should eat in time, properly, not for us, for Antaryami. Because he is a small child sitting inside and he will be hungry, right? He will be hungry. So we have to eat for Antaryami. So we don't eat for our body. We are eating for Antaryami inside. That is why our Vaidikas, you know what they ask? Vaidikas, Satacha, Antaryami acha. They will ask, Antaryami is over. Antaryami Nivedanam acha. That's also this. You are offering to the Antaryami. When you eat, it is not eating. You are offering to the Antaryami present in you. Antaryami Nivedanam acha. Antaryami acha. This. That is a Vaishnava Paribhasha. Wonderful Paribhasha. Adiyen, Dasan, Devari, Godisai, Tirumaligai. Very nice coining of the words, which you can't find in any sampradaya. No sampradaya you find. Very unique. Of course, they have their own unique sampradaya. I don't say they are less than us. But this is very touching. Very touching. It has connectivity with the Vedanta, perfect Vedanta. And Arulichaya also. So Adiyen. Adiyen is a word picked up from Narayana, right? And practical. Mainindre Tarulai Adiyen Cheyum Vinnapame Adiyen Unnadikki Ravandu Pugunde. Where all was also Adiyen. That is existing even now. 5,000 years back. The word which was coined is present even now. That shows it is divine. Otherwise it cannot exist. That very clearly shows it is divine. So what are the points, salient points that we have learnt today? Well, I will cover once again. That we define what is, who is a Vaishnava. We said Vaishnava is a devotee of Vishnu. And then he always worships Vishnu Bhagavan. Vishnu is the only Bhagavan. Bhagavan means Vishnu. Mangalam Bhagavan Vishnu. And Vaishnavas possess very important sattvic quality, and Vaishnavas are full of humility. They always say Adiyendas and Adiyendas, humble. They ignore fame. They don't want fame, name and fame. A Vaishnava will always help others to whatever possible extent he can. And even if he's criticized by the people in the society, uh, he will not prove it wrong, or he will try to accept them. Will accept them. He doesn't give as arrogance. And then he knows Perumal is enshrined in everybody's heart, so he doesn't fight, pick up quarrels. They never aspire for cheap pleasures. They don't go for that. They're very calm and composed, and the scriptures which mention about the inner identity of a Vaishnava, many scriptures, but especially Yamakinkara Sambhad and Bhagavatam, it comes in, also in Vishnu Purana, Sri Vishnu Purana. And Vaishnavas don't indulge in wealth-acquiring activities. They always speak softly. They never become angry. And then they don't go for materialistic issues. They keep on thinking about Sriman Narayana, and then they are very tranquil. They maintain very calm. They are calm. And then they don't fight with others because they know Perumal is enshrined in them. These are the qualities of Vaishnava, and we should also try to get this type of quality. It's not so easy to get, very difficult. Perumal can give even mukti, but not these qualities. So very rare to find people with these qualities. Still, we have to respect everyone as a Bhagavata, as a Vaishnava. Even if he becomes angry on us, we have to treat him as a Vaishnava, right? So Vaishnavas do not have ego. So now the juniors also must have joined. 11 to 12 is the time there. Actually, we divided as sub-juniors, infant, juniors, and seniors. Actually, we will get the question paper like that. But it can also be treated as infant, sub-juniors, and juniors. We prepared like that. So it's nothing but infant, junior, and senior. There are only 3 groups. That is up to 6 years, one group. 7 to 12 years, one group, and 13 to 18 years is another group. So no confusion there. And yeah. So Vaishnavas are never egoists. They don't have ego. You know what is ego? Anybody? Ego means edging God out. E-G, Ahankar, arrogance, yeah. Edging God out. That is called ego. And we feel, yeah, very arrogant that we know everything. Although we know this man. Kattadu kayyalavu, kallalavu, ulagalavu. What all we know is small drop in the ocean. Anything, any subject, maybe physics or chemistry, anything, mathematics. Edging God out. E-G. Ahankar. That shouldn't be there. So Vaishnavas are never egoists. Never, they don't trust Ahankara, Mamakara. What is Ahankara, Mamakara? Aham and Mama, they don't have it. Aham and Mama. Neer numadu endrivai vermudal my property, my brain, my intelligence, my body, my physics, my beauty. Everything is mine. Everything is God given. Perumal but a picture. Yeah. So Vaishnavas are never egoists. They always in the submissive mood, Adiyendasa. That is why that word actually continuously chanted by your phone also. Adiyendasa, Adiyendasa. That should go sink into our brain. Adiyendasa, Adiyendasa, Adiyendasa. are never egoistic. They always, Vaishnavas always think of Vishnu, we said, all time. Right? That is why he is a Vaishnava. And Vaishnavas do not think of earning money and grabbing other stuff. Everybody belongs to Perumal, right? Why should I grab? And why should I go behind somebody's money? Why should I go behind earning money? So, we don't go for that type of greed. So, we don't go for grabbing somebody's stuff. Vaishnava, they don't. Because they are always humble. They are full of humility. And they help others, I told you already. They are empathetic. Empathy and sympathy, right? Empathy means what? You not only have sympathy for somebody, you go and help others. Sympathy means you feel, oh, that person is having some disease or some problem, some financial problem. And you get a customer, your problem. It's sympathy. Yeah, feeling sorry for someone, right? Okay, empathy is, you just go and help them. You don't just say that, you immediately go and help them. Help them. That is very empathetic. And Vaishnavas treat all the people equally. Samuham sarva bhutesh. Yeah, putting yourself in other shoes. You treat all the friends and enemies. You don't have enemies, first of all. They consider you as enemies, what can? Then, but you treat them equally. Samuham sarva bhutesh. Then Vaishnavas always think about Vishnu. Shlokam. That is why you keep on chanting Vishnu Sahasranamam. Or some Deshiyatotram, or Prabandham. Whenever they get time, they keep on chanting. They write Ramanama. They request all of you from us. Is that right? Ramanama 108 times every day. And all of you know how to write Ramanama. Ramanama should not be a problem. Write on the board and show. See this on the board. In Sanskrit, if you write, it's better. Write like this, Rama or Rama. 2 letters. This, right? 2 letters, right? Rama, Tamil or Hindi. Able to see, right? So, write like this, minimum. The minimum of 1 or 2. Now you have vacations, what to do? Write more Ramanama. The more you write, the more powerful, because you are all children, you are very powerful, very sincere. The more you write, it will be more powerful. Children are very innocent. They don't have any kama, krodha, loga, moha. So write minimum 108 and give me the account. You did not show me. And then write Ramanama and give me finally after 7 days how many you are written. Give me the count. Right? What we will do with the count, I will tell later. Just write Ramanama, tell me that. Right. Not Ramanama, just say Rama. Aditya, Rama. Just type Rama in Hindi. Mention it. Just Rama in Hindi. Or Sanskrit, or Tamil. 2 letters. Immaye Rama and the don't write in English. R-A-M-A becomes 4 letters. Yeah, Hindi, correct. Coming. 2 letters it should be. Rama. Tamil, any Indian language. Sanskrit language. Rama. Right? Write minimum 108 times every day. Minimum 108 times every day. Because if you write Ramanama, who will be more pleased? Tell me. Who will be happy? Rama or Lakshmana or Sita or Hanuman? Who will be the most happiest? Yarukku santosham jaasti adu. Ramarukka. Hanuman. Yes, yeah, who said that? Vijay. Yes, Vijay. Hanuman, correct. Yarukku santosham. So, who will be pleased more is Hanuman. Isn't it? Why? Can you tell me that shlokam in which Hanuman will be more pleased when you chant? What is that shloka begin? In which it comes yatra yatra, starting starting of the verse. What is the name of the verse? It starts with what? Yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam. Starting what? Starting what? Yatra yatra comes in the middle, right? Yatra yatra Raghunatha. Yatra yatra comes in the middle, is it? Starts with not Buddhir Bala. Anjaneya Madhya Sampari. Who said Vaijayanti? Okay. Good Vaijayanti. Keep on writing, you must be very Brahmana. Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam tatra tatra katamasta Kanchari. So it starts with Anjaneya Madhipatanam Kanchanadri Kamaniya Vigraham Parijata Tanmuva Mata Svamiyam Bhumaranandaram Yatra yatra Raghunatha Kirtanam tatra tatra katamasta Kanchari Bashpavari Paripurna. Means whenever you write Rama, whenever you write Ramanama, Hanuman will be sitting with you and crying. Crying. I'm so happy. And he will give everything. He will remove this corona by bringing Sanjeevi Parva. Laya Sajeevan Lakhani Jiyaye. In Goswami Mitra is Hanuman Chalisa. Everybody knows Hanuman Chalisa throughout India, even abroad also. Laya Sajeevan means Sanjeevani Parva. He brought Sanjeevani Parva. Lakhani Jiyaye. Lakhan means Hanuman, Lakshman. Jiyaye, he revived, he gave life. Laya Sajeevan Lakhani Jiyaye. Nasai Rog, Mithai Sabutira. Nasai Rog, he will remove all the diseases. Mithai Sabutira. He will erase all your, Tira means Pida, all auspiciousness. He will give Mangala. Mangala. So he will give all Mangala. Laya Sajeevan Nasai Rog, Mithai Sabutira, Japati Nirantara. So right Rama, Hanuman will praise. So Hanuman is praised, he will bring Sanjeev Pratha. If there is Sanjeev Pratha, whole world will be happy. If whole world is happy, Vaishnavism will be perfect. We are all Vaishnavas. Everybody will become Vaishnava. Clear? So, the Vaishnava always keeps on, thinking of Vishnu. He thinks he is Vishnu Dasa, and Vaishnava Dasa, Bhagavata Dasa. And Vaishnavas are always empathetic. They help others. They not only take pity on others, they help. And for them, friends and enemies, they treat equally. Vaishnavas treat equally. So, the idea is that one should become a perfect Vaishnava. Many people think that Vaishnavism was founded by Ramanuja. No. Can anyone say who founded Vaishnavism? Anybody? Who founded Vaishnavism? Vaishnava sect. Right from which Acharya it started? Vishnu only, correct. Vaishnavism is not Vishnu only, not Ramanuja. Ramanuja popularized. Anybody who belongs to Vishnu is a Vaishnava. And without Vishnu, Vishnu is the first Acharya. And he showed how to become a Vaishnava by coming in the form of other Acharyas. He expanded himself. Abhinava Dashavatar. Deshkin was the only person who said he took another Dashavatar in the form of Arjuna, in the form of Vaishnava. Everybody said that. So, all those who belong to Vishnu are Vaishnava. All those who take pity on others are Vaishnava. All those who see Vishnu in everybody is a Vaishnava. All those who are empathetic are Vaishnava. All those who are very humble towards others are Vaishnava. So, he said, now, I was coming to Ajamila's story. Ajamila story is related to which name? Which holy name of the Lord? Can you say in Bhagavatam? In Bhagavatam, there is a story which comes about Ajamila's story. By which name he was delivered? He was protected. He went to Vaikuntha. Can you say which name? Krishna, no? Narayana, yeah, correct. Amarija answer is right. Fine, beautiful. Narayana. He chanted that. Now, that's coming back to the story. What is the story? There was a Brahmana by name Ajamila. He used to do his Trikala Sandhya Vandanam very perfectly every day. He used to do Tirvaradhanam. He used to offer everything to the Lord and take prasadam and be very achara, anushthan, said in the Bhagavad. Very nice Vedadhyayana para. And one day, his mind became corrupt because he saw something on the road, some scene, bad scene, like a cinema. He saw some cinema. In those days, no cinema, right? That scene on the road. Immediately, his mind got corrupted. The mind became poisoned. That's why we should have a satsang. That is the important of always we should be in satsang. That is why Parchati Raman Mama keeps you satsang through GSTK, classes, prabandham, stotram, videos, audio, kacheri, music, upanyasam. For elders, upanyasam. For youngsters, learn Sanskrit, learn prabandham. Some way there is a satsang. Right? So he is giving you opportunity. You should use that opportunity, particularly in this time of Kaliga and Corona. It is Perumal's Karuna that he gave us Corona so that we can remember his Corona. In one way, it is making us to go inside who we are, what we are, what are we doing, what are we supposed to do, everything. Right? We are reflecting inside ourselves. So many people are there. This is so happy to see, right? 136 people. So nice. And 136 plus so many people, right? So happy. And so many people are working. See, Hema Ma'am is working, Anusha is working, Patsadi is working, day and night, right? And then they are supported by a team, volunteers team. Why? Satsang. So, Ajamila didn't get that sang. Ajamila was a very good Brahmana, but he was not in good sang. See, you are abroad, for example, particularly you are in London or you are in Australia or in South Africa. Right? Unless you have a good satsang there, slowly everything will go. At least through net. A net is a boon. Now, by God's grace, everybody is sitting at home and then they can learn everything from it. They are learning more now in Corona, COVID times than before because there is no office. We cannot go to the office. All lockdown everywhere. Perumal locked everything down. All lockdown. You are seeing cinema, all cinema is gone. You are going to hotel to eat all nonsense, all hotel closed down. You are smelling all different recipes in the hotel, close the hotel. You are tasting all nonsense. The doctor says no eating this, that, this, that, nothing. Eat only kabasura neer nowadays. The people say, what is that kabasura? Kabasura neer. Kapam is cold. Suram means fever. To remove this cold and fever, the government of Tamil Nadu is kabasura neer, kabasura powder. Kabasura neer. So, wonderful, yeah, rejoining in our family. That is Lakshmi. Please live with the family. Everything. But to be in touch with Perumal always through this satsang, in the devotees, is very, very. So Perumal gives wonderful opportunities, different groups. GSPK Prabandham is there, Sotrabad and SG is there, so many FCC channels, and people are learning a lot now than before. And so this is what Tapasura, yeah, Tapasura. Tapam Suram. Suram means Jaram. Tapam means cold. Very dangerous, right? Cold is very dangerous. Very careful for the virus. People say they don't know pronunciation. Kabasura. It's not Kaba Asura or something. So Ajamila story says that we should always be in satsang. See, Ajamila was a very good Brahmana, he was doing Aradhana, everything and all, but he was alone. There was no satsang there. So he fell into bad ways and started drinking, smoking, cigarettes, everything. Pan parak, tambaku, whatever it was, nonsense he could take, everything he did. And he became brashta, he became patita, he fell down. Fell down in the sense, unfit for a Brahmana. So he lost all his wealth. He left his wife, etc. He had a child. He had many sons, in which last son's name he kept as Nara. In those days, that is why you should Naranam Tammanne Naragam Pugar Periyar say, keep Perumal's name. So that at least out of affection for the child, he will call that name in the law. Prana Prayana Samaye Kapavata Pittai Kanta. So we cannot remember Perumal the last moment. Perumal will remember us. That is the difference. But if we keep our son's name or grandson's name, Perumal name, we will call that. But here he called like that. He was afraid. Now is the time of death. So many tubes here, one oxygen cylinder, one ventilator. The doctors are looking like kinkaras for him. He was scared, the whole room. Operation theater, so many bulbs, blood, this, that, and he got scared, dead scared. And then he called his son, Narayana. And he left his body. See, lost name was Narayana. Immediately Vishnu Dutas came from Vishnu Loka with all Shankam Chakram. They'll be like Perumal only. No, we also will become like that when we go to Vaikuntha. All Shankar Chakram will come to us. Shangore Chakaramendum Tadakayan, everything will come. And then even Yamadutas came. The servants of Yama from Yamaloka. There was a fight between them. We will take this fellow to hell, Naraka. We will fry him like a bhaji. Why? In Ekadasi, he used to take a lot of bhaji. Bondas. We will fry him. He was eating aloo bonda. And this sabji and the bhaji, all now. We will fry his body. So many sins he did. He ate rice in Ekadasi, etc. Vishnu Dutta said, no, we will take him to Vaikuntha. They said, why? How? Last moment he said, Narayana. That's enough. But he called his son. He didn't call Perumal. They said, whatever it is. He said Narayana. Whether it is son or grandson, who or neighbor, who can it be? Bhagavan Nama is so powerful. The Teenil Tushagam, what is that last word? Anybody? Teenil Tushagam? Teenil Tushagam. Very good. Cheppela and Swara. Which Patram? Number, Patram number. In that you will get Vadai also. Nice Vadai. It's not third. No. Nobody said. Sixth? No. Which Patram? Fifth. Marge, Vayam, Vongi, Adi, Maya. Right, fifth. Maya Neman. That it comes, Maya Neman, Vadamadan. People sing a different way, right? Maya Neman, Vadai. So, new Vadai. Not Vadai, Vadayar, Adayar best. Maya Neman, Vadamadurai, Mainda. So, Teenim Tusham, any number of you have tons and tons and tons of what? Cotton in one place. And then put one matchstick, what will happen to tons and tons and tons of cotton? Kgs, thousands and thousands kgs of cotton. One matchstick is enough to burn. But one Narayana is enough to burn all your, right? That's what Andal says. Fifth Pasanam, Teenim Tusham. By chanting what? Perumal. Mayane, Manna Vadamadirai, Maintana. Nama Vaibhav. So, Vishnu Dutta said to Yamadutta, whatever sin he has committed, evvalavu papam pannaru, Kadachira Narayana. It's very difficult. So, he will be taken. So, He was in a coma stage. Ajamila heard this sambad. And then the Yamadutas, Yamakinkara, they went to Yamaloka. Then told him, what is this new rule? Somebody came from Vishnu, they said, no, they have changed the rule. What is it? Have you changed any rule? Said, no, no rule is changed. Why? We want to bring this fellow, he did all papam, all sins. But Vishnu Dutta stopped him, what should we do? Oh, Vishnu Dutta came. My God. Immediately Yama said, Dandavat pranam to them, do Sashtanga pranam. Go and ask apology. I am not their boss. I am not the boss of Vishnu. Correct. Even if he says the last moment, Narayan, we should be left. Now all these scenes, all the dialogue, everything is seen by. He is in a coma state. Our Ajamila. Who are Ajamila? We are Ajamila. Ajamila is not a separate person. We are Ajamila. We are not doing all Panchakala Parayana, Abhigamana, Vijja, Swadhyaya, Yogam, everything. Panchakala Prakriya. We are not doing Sandhya and Usul properly. Achamani Usul properly. Forget about Sandhya. Achyutaya Nama, Om Achyutaya Nama, Om Anantaya Nama, Om Govinda. We have to touch all the parts perfectly. Om Keshavaya Nama, Om Narayana Nama. We don't touch like that. Something we do. People don't know what magic we are doing. Suddenly we do suddenly like this, suddenly like this. No, jump up is over. Achamani is not perfect. Everything is God. So we will protect only Purima. That is why everything. Deshika said, you surrender, that's all. Do Sandhyavana. Though with imperfection. Surrender the fruit of this lotus feet of the Lord. Susmai Saprite Saimeva Arayati Kalpama. So we are not doing perfectly, whether we are doing 5 times or 10 times. One person said, no, I am a great Vaishnava. I said, why? How? I am putting 24 Tirumana. There is no 24 Tirumana, only 12 Tirumana. Just because you put 24 Tirumana, you will not have perfect Vaishnava. It is against Shastra also. Right? You can't put anywhere and everywhere. It's not a paint. It's a Tirumana. That will take later. Maybe after a few days. So, seeing it is very powerful. So, Ajamila came to know in coma state. Oh, it's so powerful. How I fell down? My God, I will take satsang immediately. He came back from coma state. He was revived. Then he took satsang. He had satsang like this. Then he did prapatti. He did sharanagati. Then he went away. This shows the power of prapatti, in fact, rather than namasankirtan. So this is called Yama Kinkarasana. Yama told his servants, I am not the boss of Vaishnava. I can't go near them. My God, I tremble. Bhattacharya Bhishana. Yama Yamadut run away, seeing the Vaishnava. Seeing the sermon, they will run away miles. That is why you should put prayer. Clear? This is Ajamila Upakhyan. So what do we learn from this? That Vaishnavas surrender to the lotus feet of the Lord. If they surrender in the beginning itself, Perumal will protect them, even if they can't remember. Perumal will remember them and he will take them. Perumale Jabagam Vachilla or Ashim. Yeah. So, Taniya Veda Guru, any Guru fill up and say, those open for voice remain. Upanayana Vanavana, any class outside chapter. So, what do we understand is that Yama Kinkaras will run away seeing Vaishnava. So, what we should do, children? Do not have ego, do not have ahankar, always think the Dasan, Ariyan, Dasan. If you hear after today onwards, when you call, give a call, you tell Ariyan, Dasan to elders. One day will become a real Dasan. You should always think of Vishnu. You should not think of earning or grabbing others' money. We should be full of humility. We should be empathetic to others. Should we help others? Right? These are the qualities of Vaishnava, and we should all try to write Ramanama every day compulsorily 108 and then tell, and later on you send the score in a sheet to the GSP score. I will tell you how to connect that later on. What are the scores we will announce? Tomorrow itself we will announce how many you have written. Minimum 108. Maybe you can put it in the chat. How much you wrote. And now, so every day we should be able to repeat. We should be able to repeat some things, regularly. Like what are the things to be repeated? The children also are joined. So we should chant mainly Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana. Why Sudarsana? Why Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana? Very simple. Sudarsana, one who shows the right direction. Sudarsana is very powerful. It can remove all the troubles which we have. So all of you chant Jai Jai Sri. Not Jai Jai, though you may not know Sudarsana. Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana. Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana. Yeah, any language is okay. Any language is okay. In Tamil also you can make 2 letters. And Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Raman. Teach them, the children. குழந்தைகளா எது சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம் ஒரு வாட்டி அங்கேருந்து அப்பாந்துன்னு சொல்லுங்க. ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா, ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா. டெய்லி பார்த்து அறிவோம் அவங்க சொல்ல வைக்கிறேன் இல்லையா, அதே வாட்டி சொல்ல இல்லையா. ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா. கிரந்தம் எதுவான எதுங்க 2 லெட்டர் இருக்கும். எந்த லாங்குவேஜ் எழுதினாலும் இந்தியன் லாங்குவேஜ் ஒரு 2 லெட்டர்ஸ். இங்கிலீஷ் எழுதணும் எந்த கிரந்தம் எழுதுங்க. ஏதோ ஒரு புக்ல எழுதிக்கோ, ஒரு நோட் புக்ல எழுதி எனக்கு ஸ்கோர் சொல்லுங்க டெய்லி. 7 daysல எவ்வளவு ஸ்கோர் பார்க்கணும். லெட் மீ see how many who will cross 1000 or whatever maximum. In Singapore in 7 days I think I got 10,000 is the maximum. Not 10 8 10 and 10 days here. அதனால yeah, okay, so very very important is that chanting Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana. Then Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha, Srimate Ramanujaya Namaha. Adin சொல்லணும். அப்புறம் Srimate Nigamanta Mahadeshikaya Namaha, Srimate Nigamanta Mahadeshikaya Namaha, Nigamanta Mahadeshikaya Namaha. வடக்கே எல்லாம் போனா, நார்த்ல போனா ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயண், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயண் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. People say ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயண், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயண், ஜெய் ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயண். Then this is very common, we say Adiyen Dasan, Adiyen Dasan, Adiyen Dasan, Adiyen Dasan, Adiyen Dasan. Like that. You can write Ramanama any number of times. இவ்வளவு வேணா எழுதலாம். மினிமம் 100 ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. குழந்தைகள்லாம் இது கம்மியா எழுதினாலும் பரவாயில்ல. குழந்தைகள்லாம் 32 எழுதினா பரவாயில்ல. பெரியவாலாம் 108 எழுதும். இன்ஃபேன்ட்ஸ் 32 எழுதினா ஓகே. போறோம். நான் ஜாஸ்தி எழுதினா நல்லது. மினிமம் 108 ட்ரை பண்ணுங்க. ஏன்னா காலி தானே, ரெண்டாயிரம் ஃப்ரீயா தானே. So children, we keep on chanting, Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana, Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana. குழந்தைகள் ஒரு ரோட் சொல்லுவோம். Jai Jai Sri Sudarsana. அப்புறம் ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹா, ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹா, ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹா. அப்புறம் ஸ்ரீமதே நிகமாந்த மகாதேசிகாய நமஹா, ஸ்ரீமதே நிகமாந்த சொல்லுமா குழந்தை. மகாதேசிகாய நமஹா, ஸ்ரீமதே நிகமாந்த மகாதேசிகாய நமஹா. சொல்லு. ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். ஜோரா சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா சொல்லு. ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா சொல். ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா, ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா. புரியுதா? ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா கேக்குறதா எல்லாருமே? இல்லையா? அடியேன் தாசன் சொல்லு பார்க்கலாம். அடியேன் தாசன், அடியேன் தாசன். குழந்தைகளா சொல்லுங்க. அடியேன் தாசன். We are very lucky because these children are, yeah, you repeat it. You will be muted only. Repeat at home. No problem. You can't open. You can unmute everybody. We can. So you chant from there, leave muted. So Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Sri Sudarshana. அங்கேயே சொல்லுங்க, மியூட் பண்ணி தான் இருக்கும். ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா, ஜெய ஜெய ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா. ஸ்ரீமதே சொல்லுங்க திருப்பி. ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹ, ராமானுஜாய நமஹ, ராமானுஜாய நமஹ. செகண்ட் ஸ்ரீமதே, ஸ்ரீமதே, ஸ்ரீமதே நிகமாந்த மகாதேசிகாய நமஹ, நிகமாந்த மகாதேசிகாய நமஹ, நிகமாந்த மகாதேசிகாய நமஹ. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணா, ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணா, ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணா. அடியே தாசன். பெரியவாளை பார்த்தா என்ன சொல்லணும்? நீங்க தீவிர அடியே தாசன். This is common for all. Infants or juniors or seniors. Everybody has to say this. Adiyan Dasan. Adiyan Dasan. Okay. So now, so you learned about the qualities of Vaishnava. Okay. I will tell a small story. And then you may have to repeat this. சின்ன கதை சொல்றேன், என்ன புரியுதா குழந்தைகளா? சின்ன கதை. ஒரு ஊர்ல ஒரு சின்ன குழந்தை இருந்தது. அந்த குழந்தை தினமும் என்ன சொல்லும் தெரியுமா? இந்த குழந்தை தினமும் ஹரி 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 அப்படின்னு சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கு. என்ன சொல்லும்? ஹரின்னு சொல்லும். ஹரி ஹரி ஹரின்னு சொல்லும். சரியா? அந்த குழந்தை சின்ன வயசுல இருந்து ஸ்கூல்ல போச்சே கூட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோட எல்லாம் உட்கார்ந்துட்டு பாக்ஸ் ஓபன் பண்ணி லஞ்ச் சாப்பிடுவல்ல ஸ்கூல்ல. பீப்புள் ஈட் லஞ்ச். நோ, நீங்களாம் அப்படிதான் உட்காந்து சொல்லுங்க. ஸ்கூல் போச்சே ஒரு காலத்துல நீங்களாம் போயிருந்தீங்க ஸ்கூல் இல்லையா? அப்ப பாக்ஸ் ஓபன் பண்ணி கோவிந்தா 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 அப்படின்னு சாப்பிடுவீங்க இல்லையா? சாப்பிடுவீங்க இல்லையோ? பக்கத்தாத்து டப்பால நீ சாப்பிடுவியோ? உன் டப்பால இந்த அவன் சாப்பிடுவாடா? உன் டப்பால இந்த அவ சாப்பிடுவாடா? அவ டப்பால இருந்து நீ சாப்பிடுவியா? இல்ல உங்க டப்பால இருந்து டீச்சர் சாப்பிடுவாடா? உங்க டப்பால யார் சாப்பிடுவா? டீச்சர் சாப்பிடுவாடா? ஹெட் மிஸ்ஸே சாப்பிடுவாடா? நீ சாப்பிடுவியா? உன் ஃப்ரெண்டு சாப்பிடுவாளா? யோசிக்கிறான் பையன். நான் சாப்பிடுவானா? என் ஃப்ரெண்டு சாப்பிடுவானா? அம்மா உனக்கு தோசை கொடுத்தா நீ யாருக்கு கொடுப்ப? டீச்சருக்கா ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கா? ஃப்ரெண்டுக்கு தானே கொடுப்பேன். யா அப்போ கோவிந்தா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி கொடுப்பானா ஒரு குழந்தை. அவன் ஃப்ரெண்டும் கோவிந்தா அப்படின்னு சாப்பிடுவான். என்ன சொல்லி சாப்பிடுவான்? கோவிந்தா. புரியுதா? என்ன சாப்பிடுவான்? தோசை. என்ன டிஃபன் டப்பாலேருந்து. அந்த மாதிரி டெய்லி எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ்க்கும் கோவிந்தா, இந்த வாய், இந்த நீ வாய தர கோவிந்தா, நீ வாய தர கோவிந்தா அப்படின்னு அவன் டப்பால இருக்குதெல்லாம் கொடுப்பான். பெருமாள் ரொம்ப சந்தோஷப்படுவான். என்ன? பெருமாள் சந்தோஷப்பட்டு அந்த குழந்தை கீழே விழுந்தா அடிப்படாம, கையில அடிபட்டா வலிக்காம, தலையில அடிபட்டா வலிக்காம, எந்த உடம்பும் வராம அந்த குழந்தைய பெருமாள் நன்னா காப்பாத்தி காப்பாத்தி மேரேந்து விழுந்தாரு அடிப்படாது அந்த குழந்தைக்கு. அப்படி ஒரு இன்டெலிஜென்ஸ் கிளாஸ்லயே ஃபர்ஸ்ட் வந்தது அந்த குழந்தை. அந்த குழந்தை ஏன்னா அது எல்லா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸோடையும் ஹரி 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 ஹரின்னு சொல்றது அந்த குழந்தை. ஏன் அந்த குழந்தைய கடைசி வரைக்கும் பெருமாள் என்ன பண்ணார்? காப்பாத்தினார். ஏன் காப்பாத்தினார் அப்படின்னா அந்த குழந்தை எப்பவுமே ஹரி ஹரி ஹரின்னு சொல்லும். சாப்பிடுச்சு என்ன சொல்லும்? கோவிந்தா கோவிந்தா அப்படின்னு சொல்லும். நீ சொல்லுவியா? சாப்பிடுச்சு கோவிந்தா சொல்லுவியா? சாப்பிடுச்சு உங்க அப்பா சொல்லுவாளா? அப்பாவை பாக்குற, நீ சொல்லுவியாடானா? சாப்பிட்டியா? சொல்லுவியா? கோவிந்த் சாப்பிடு. எழுந்துக்குச்சே, காத்தால எழுந்த உடனே ஹரி ஹரின்னு சொல்லணும். என்ன படுத்துக்குச்சே என்ன சொல்லணும்? மாதவா மாதவா மாதவான்னு சொல்லணும். அந்த குழந்தை சொன்னதால அந்த குழந்தைய பெருமாள் காப்பாத்தினா அப்படின்னு பாகவதத்துல ஒரு கதை வருது. அந்த குழந்தை பெருமாளையே நம்பி, அதனால பெருமாள் பக்கத்திலேயே இருந்து அந்த குழந்தைய காப்பாத்தினார். யார் அந்த குழந்தை? இந்த குழந்தை யாரு சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். இந்த குழந்தை யாரு? பாகவதத்துல எப்பவுமே பெருமா அதித்தி சொல்றதுக்கு பிரஹ்லாத். அவன் குழந்தை பேர் என்ன? பிரஹ்லாதன். இந்த குழந்தைக்கு பிரஹ்லாதன். பிரஹ்லாதன்னா சந்தோஷம் தருவன், நமக்கெல்லாம் சந்தோஷத்தை கொடுக்கலாம். பிரஹ்லாதன் நிறைய சந்தோஷத்தை நமக்கு கொடுப்பான், எப்பயும் சந்தோஷமாவும் இருப்பான். ஏன்னா எப்பவும் பெருமாள் பேரை சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கிறதால அவனும் சந்தோஷமா இருந்து நமக்கும் சந்தோஷத்தை கொடுப்பான். அதனால நாம எப்பவுமே என்ன ஹரி சொல்லணும், கோவிந்தா சொல்லணும், மாதவா சொல்லணும், ராமா ராமா ராமான்னு எழுதணும். என்ன ஜெய ஜெய் ஸ்ரீ சுதர்சனா, ஸ்ரீமதே ராமானுஜாய நமஹா, ஸ்ரீமதே நிகமாந்த மகாதேசிகாய நமஹா, ஸ்ரீமன் நாராயணா அடியேன் தாசன் அப்படின்லாம் நம்ம சொல்லிட்டே இருந்தா பெருமாள் பார்த்து, ஐயோ இந்த குழந்தைகள்லாம் இவ்வளவு அழகா அடியேன்னு சொல்றது, இந்த குழந்தை எவ்வளவு அழகா நாம சங்கீர்த்தனம் பண்றது இல்லையான்னு இந்த குழந்தைகளோட இருக்கிற அத்தனை பேர் இந்த குரூப்ல இருக்காளே அவளுக்கும் பெருமாள் அக்ஷதை போட்டு சந்தோஷமா காப்பாற்றுவார். அதனாலதான் கேம்ப். புரியுறதோ? கேம்ப்ல எல்லாரும் ஒண்ணா வர்றதால, எல்லாரும் சேர்ந்து இருக்கிறதால பெருமாள் இந்த லேப்டாப் மேல அக்ஷதை போட்டா லேப்டாப்ல இருக்கிற எல்லாருக்கும் போகும். அதனால்தான் ஜிஎஸ்பி மேல அக்ஷத பெருமாள் போடுற நம்ம எல்லாருக்கும் வருது இல்லையா? கரெக்டா? சரி, இப்போ ஒரு 5 நிமிஷம் 10 நிமிஷம் டைம், அதுல கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர். யாருக்காவது கேள்வி பதில் கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் அன்மியூட் பண்ணலாம். கொஸ்டின் ஆன்சர் கேட்டுருவாங்கம்மா.
Q&A எனேபிள் பண்றது வந்து அதுக்கு முன்னால் ஒரு சின்ன ஒரு அனௌன்ஸ்மெண்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். அடியேன் குழந்தைகள் அடியேன் பாகவதால் எல்லாருக்கும் தன்யவாதங்கள். குழந்தைகள்ல ரொம்ப கியூட்டா எல்லாம் திருமணம்லாம் இட்டு வீடியோல ரொம்ப கியூட்டா உட்கார்ந்து கிருத்தஜதைகள். அண்ட் இன்னும் நிறைய பேருக்கு சொல்லுங்க, எல்லாருக்கும் சர்டிபிகேட்ஸ் கிடைக்கும். அதனால நாளைக்கு கூட வரலாம். ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இன்னைக்கு வந்தா நாளைக்கு இன்னிலேருந்து வரணும்னு இல்ல, இன்னைக்கு மிஸ் பண்ணாலும் நாளைக்கு வரலாம். ஸோ உங்க ஃப்ரெண்டு கிட்ட எல்லாம் போய் என்ன சொல்லணும்னா, ஓ நாங்க கியூட்டா இன்னைக்கு கேம்ப்ல அட்டென்ட் பண்ணோம், நாளைக்கு நீயும் வந்து பாரு அதுலன்னு சொல்லிட்டு 2 பேரும் போட்டி போட்டு ராமநாமெல்லாம் எழுதலாம். ஓகேவா? ஸோ இதுல முக்கியமா என்ன சொல்ல வந்தோம்னா, வி ஹேவ் அன் ஆன்லைன் பாடசாலா ப்ரோக்ராம். ஸோ அது வந்து குழந்தைங்களுக்காகவே. நிறைய பேர் என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா, அது நிறைய பேர் இந்த சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரி பத்தி தெரியாம கிட்ஸ் ஸ்தோத்ரா கிளாஸஸ் இருக்கான்லாம் நிறைய பேர் கேட்கறா. ஸோ இதுல பாதி பேருக்கு மேல தெரிஞ்சிருக்கிறவா சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரி கிட்ஸே இருக்கா. பட் இதுல வேற யாராவது கிட்ஸ் இருக்கே, உங்களுக்கு வந்து இந்த ஸ்தோத்திர கிளாஸஸ் எல்லாம் தெரியாது பட் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணோம் அப்படின்னா, அந்த சம்பிரதாய மஞ்சரி கிளாஸஸ் வந்து இப்ப விஜயதசமியில ஆரம்பிக்கும். பட் எங்களால எல்லாரையும் எடுத்துக்க முடியாது. அந்த டைம்ல ஒரு 300 பேர் 400 பேர் வந்தா அப்படின்னா we have some limits. ஸோ அதனால இப்பயே வந்து யாரெல்லாம் இன்ட்ரெஸ்டடா இருக்காளோ அவளுக்கு ஒரு ப்ரையாரிட்டி மாதிரி கொடுக்கலான்றதுக்காக நாங்க என்ன பண்றோம்னா நேம்ஸ் வாங்கி வைக்கிறோம். ஸோ யூ கேன் என்டர் யுவர் நேம் ஃபார் த நெக்ஸ்ட் விஜயதசமி லான்ச். ஸோ வெயிட் லிஸ்ட் மாதிரி. அண்ட் ப்ரையாரிட்டி வில் பி கிவன் டு கிட்ஸ் whose siblings are already there. ஸோ இப்போ அண்ணாவோ தம்பியோ இவெல்லாம் அட்டென்ட் பண்ணிட்டு இருக்கா அப்படின்னா அவளோட தங்கைக்கு தம்பிக்கெல்லாம் ப்ரையாரிட்டி கொடுப்போம். பிளஸ் இந்த கேம்ப்ல யார் அட்டென்ட் பண்றாளோ, இந்த 10 நாள் யார் அட்டென்ட் பண்றாளோ அவளுக்கும் ப்ரையாரிட்டி சீட்ஸ் உண்டு ஃபார் விஜயதசமி. ஸோ இப்போ 500 ஃபார்ம் வந்தது, எங்களால் 200 பேர் தான் எடுக்க முடியும் அப்படின்னா, ஸோ இப்போ கத்துன்னு இருக்கிறவாளோட தங்கை தம்பிகள் பிளஸ் இந்த ஃபார்ம் கேம்ப்ஸ்க்கு வரவாளுக்கு ஸோ அந்த ஃபார்ம்ஸ் போட்டிருக்கோம். ஸோ யாருக்கெல்லாம் அந்த கிளாஸ்ல ஜாயின் பண்ணணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறீங்களோ நீங்க வந்து அந்த ஃபார்ம்ல உங்க டீடைல்ஸ் என்டர் பண்ணா ஆகஸ்ட் செப்டம்பர்ல பிஃபோர் த கிளாஸ் ஸ்டார்ட்ஸ் நாங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு இமெயில்ல ரீச் அவுட் பண்ணுவோம். சரியா? ஸோ உங்களுக்கு வேணும்ன்றவா இப்ப அம்மா அப்பாலாம் இல்லைன்னா அந்த இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் அம்மா அப்பாட்ட சொல்லி அந்த ஃபார்ம் அம்மா அப்பாட்ட காட்டுங்க. அப்புறம் உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் யாராவது இருக்காருன்னா அவட்ட சொல்லி நாளைக்கு கேம்ப் கூட்டுன்னு வாங்க. ஓகேவா? நாளைக்கு வேற கதை சொல்லுவார் சுவாமி.
Right, ma'am.
அப்படி எந்த நியூஸ்மி